I'm honestly so excited for summer.
Hi guys, my name is McKenna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So since summer's right around the corner, I have been wanting to show you guys my summer makeup routine because summer makeup, as you may know, is very different from winter makeup, and I love my summer makeup routine because it's simple and super lightweight. For my summer makeup, I like to focus on like the more sun-kissed, bronzed kind of makeup look. So that means I very heavily rely on my just regular summer tan as a part of my makeup look. Super easy. Figured I would take you guys along and then show you all the products I use, the steps, and kind of just how I achieve that sun-kissed bronzed makeup look. I don't have any makeup on my face right now, so I still have to prep it. In my opinion, that's the most important part of your makeup routine. Just gonna pull my hair back a little. So I bronze my skin as a part of my moisturizing prep routine, I guess. So I use the La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream, and then I pair it with the Drunk Elephant Bronzy Drops, and I'm almost out of these. So if you guys know any that compare, are better, more affordable than this, I would love to find a different one because honestly, I don't think I want to use these ones anymore, and I like them a lot, but not for the price at all. So add some in the comments, please. But I pair these together, so I just put a little bit of moisturizer on my face in a few different spots, and then I take the bronzy drops and give it like a little shake, and then I put those in the same spots as well. Then I just blend it in. The bronzy drops can be like a little splotchy almost. That's why I always do it with moisturizer so that it blends more evenly. This kind of just gives me like a little extra glow, extra bronzy base if I haven't been in the sun yet. So that's how I started my base always, is bronzed with my bronzing drops and my moisturizer. Then during the summer times, I hate wearing like a heavy foundation or concealer because I'm like sweating, it's hot, it's gross outside. I don't want to have like a lot of product on my face. I usually just go in with a skin tint, or as of right now, I use the e.l.f. Halo Glow because this is light. I don't know, I'm not really looking for a lot of coverage, so that's why I use this. I'll just take some of this and put it in a little bit under my eyes, a little on my forehead, and then I do a little on my chin. I have to be careful using this stuff sometimes because it causes me to break out at certain points, but I switched my skincare routine so it hasn't been as bad. Be careful when you use this. If you're breaking out, just stop using it. I've heard mixed opinions for sure. But I'm just gonna blend out some of this Halo Glow. Okay, I'm just moving you guys over here. And then I'm actually going to something for my brother's graduation right now, so I'm going to put a little extra something, but do a tiny dot of concealer, and I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, but I'm just gonna blend that little extra brightness under my eyes. Gosh, I'm having trouble with my camera today. Next, I am taking a little bit of my bronzer. I use the Glossier Solar Paint, and this is just a very lightweight bronzer, which is why I like it. So I just put a little across my forehead, and then right on my cheekbones, kind of where highlight actually is supposed to go, or blush, like right below. And then I put a little on my nose. It doesn't cover anything up, it kind of just acts as something to add an extra bit of color to my face and dimension. I'm putting this in some of the places where the sun would hit if I got a tan. And then I always make sure to blend by my ears because I don't want my ears to be looking a different color than the rest of my face. I bring some of the product that's already on the brush or on my cheekbones, and then I bring it and just add a little bit to my neck and my jaw. I just drag that down my neck so that it's cohesive and all the same color, because that is the worst thing that could ever happen, is that your face doesn't match your neck and the rest of your body. Then I kind of like flatten out the brush like this a little bit. I do right underneath the little point of my nose and then right above, just so that I can highlight the tip of my nose a little bit more. It just broke. Awesome. I do like when the tip of my nose is more accentuated. I feel like it's super cute.
I'm honestly so excited for summer.
I feel like, I just have this feeling that this summer is gonna be a really good one. I don't know why. I actually started my YouTube channel last summer, like more towards the end of the summer. So I'm excited that I actually have the full summer this year to film and make like summer content and summer videos. That will be super fun and I'm excited to do that. But it's gonna be almost a year that I've had my YouTube channel and I can't believe it. Then the key part of having a sun-kissed makeup routine is obviously blush. So I use the Say blush in the shade Sweetie. I'm wanting to try out some new shades, but this is the one I use for my everyday. Unfortunately, when I got this at Sephora, the packaging was broken. So you know that like plastic piece that's in it that stops you from getting too much product? That's not in it. So this is pretty much a disaster. And then I actually mix it with the Rare Beauty in Enlighten because I want the blush to be glowy and bright. I do like a medium amount because this stuff does go a long way and I don't want to be so blush heavy that like I'm scared, because I've seen some sun-kissed makeup looks that are just like a little too much blush for me. Like I prefer it to be like an equal part blush and bronze. I'm going to take some of the highlight and just add it right up next to the blush so that when I blend it, the blush looks more glowy than matte. Just take a fluffy brush and just pat those together. And then I like to smile and see where the apple of my cheek is and focus it there and then just blend it all the way out to my hairline. And then I even bring some of the product typically over my eyelid too, because like I said, I want the blush and the bronzer to be in spots where the sun usually directly hits. I'll bring it alongside up next to my nose, but I'm gonna take some of the product and I'm gonna put it up at the top of my forehead so that it looks like I got a little sun-kissed up here, the bridge of my nose, and then I usually do a little on my chin as well. I really like this color and this shade of blush because it's on the peachier side and I feel like that's perfect for summer. All of the best makeup colors in summer are all peachy. And then last step for my face, I'm going to take more of this highlight. So I'm just going to take my middle finger and blend that in. Summer makeup just is so top tier. Like I don't care what anyone says. Being able to only do a couple of like cream and glowy products during the summer and just looking amazing is my favorite thing in the world. I'm gonna go ahead and move into my eyebrows. I'm gonna take some of my eyebrow honey. I'm gonna have this linked below because I think this is by Pink Honey and it is an eyebrow honey glue. This stuff keeps my eyebrows in shape. Through sweat, through rain, through tears, my eyebrows stay put. So this is awesome. Plus it has a little nice hole in the middle, so it's super easy to apply. I just start by brushing my eyebrows in the direction I kind of want them to be in. And then that glue kind of starts just setting into work. And then it just starts to like plaster down my brows. I don't know if you can see. When I tell you these things don't go anywhere, they don't move. And I don't know what it is, I just like having my brows slicked. I feel like it just looks better and it looks more natural in my opinion. I feel like it brings my side of the face, like it just brings my face up, like just like, you know, like, are you kidding? Then this is a step that you can include, but you don't have to. So for more summery makeup, I know that a lot of people don't really like to do a heavier mascara, which I 100% agree. Because there's some days where I like to use this brown telescopic mascara by L'Oreal. But then there's some days where I just love using my go-to, which is Thrive, and this is a tubing mascara, so it comes off super easy. This one is so good. But right now, I'm going to be using my Thrive one, so I'm just going to curl my lashes and then put that on. I got this new eyelash curler, but I'm so scared of cutting off all my lashes. Nothing too heavy though, but just a little bit. My eyes don't look bald. Last touch before lips. This one is one of my favorite new little life hacks. Like I just recently started doing this, but I have this NYX brow gel and I don't really use it on my brows that often because I feel like it makes them look too dark. So I've been taking some of it and doing little freckles. I'm just gonna do like a couple little freckles with it. I feel like this really brings the sun-kissed look together, is the freckles. When I'm in the sun for a while, I definitely get a couple freckles on my face. Then, to blend it out, take my fingertip again, and I kind of just pat them in so they look more natural. Like, if you have a lot of freckles, don't cover them up. They're beautiful. Like, I admire people's freckles so much. Then I have a few different lip products I've been using. Sometimes I will just go with like a clear lip gloss, like that's fine. Sometimes I use this Tower 28 one, but for today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. But this is like a very peachy, lightweight gloss. It has this cute little shimmer to it. I like that it has just like a warm, peachy tone to it. I think it's so cute. But this is the finished look. It's just warm, peachy, blushy. It looks sun-kissed. It looks like I sat outside in the sun all day. Summer makeup will always be my favorite. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I just love summer makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you try out this makeup look too. I would love to see your guys' versions of them. Thank you so much if you've watched to the end of this video. I will have all the products that I used linked down below so that you guys can go and shop them if you're interested. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I have a Pinterest, a Spotify. You guys should definitely go check that out. Subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!